Okay, basically, is we are going to disconnect pipe here from this radiator here. And thus, what we are attempting to do is encourage it off with these here, push fittings. Because what we want to do is removing radiator from this room. Now I have a very qualified, highly professional, Mr. James Kirby.
We have a problem here to fuck off. We have a problem already.
What is the matter now?
Well, it says on here, what does that say? 55 degrees C.
65 degrees C max.
Yeah. My water at home is set at 70 degrees, you know what I'm saying?
I would just set the thermostat down. This is really this very big cost.
Oh, God.
Right, so this
You
is what
get rid of that phone.
No, it's going to go. Right, we have done this is done here. So this push fitting will completely grab on there. If you have any pain, it has got many problems.
Right, now which way this fucking works? I wish you'd turn that light
This
on.
is more the professional.
You fucking right off.
He's heard me some many times that he's against my control.
You can get rid of that. How big a memory is that on it?
It's fucking shitloads, mate.
About 2 gig?
Get rid of the dog, man.
I'm a little bit nervous. You're putting me off. Shut up, you know.
Right. Now this is what Mo told me how to do. Let's go with more. I'm going to up and 6 or something.
I'm running. I swear to God, I'm running.
Got one. Dan went back.
Oh, it's now cutting the pipe.
You better keep that part out. That's a lot of water, man. That is a fucking...
Okay, stop, you can't.
You give me the one that ain't turned on.
It's a fucking mess.
I told you it's done many times.
Well, happy I've got in your eyes and everywhere. Alright.
I'm saying to be a lot of water. You won't fuck off your head.
Oh, Ben, look!
No, we've got paint. Quick, mop,
Come
mopping, please. Fucking hell.
I knew there'd be a bit of fucking water, but that's ridiculous. Yeah, good, I'm pleased.
That's
fuck off, you. I don't want to be famous. It's all over here.
We have done the one pipe, and as you can see, it's very successful. We have a small amount of water on the floor.
A small amount of water on fucking soap shoes off his cup.
I'm not the panic.
Who's smuggling it? We both agree. I knew there'd be a bit, but fucking hell.
Mate, you got the mop down, haven't you?
Dan back?
Right, well that's how you don't do it, Jake, alright mate?
So we basically learned from the first one that there's a lot of pressure, and plus I gave him the wrong fucking thing.
Jake, just go get fully wet!
Stinks, that water.
Yeah, there is.
When you undo the belt.
Still wiring.
Yes, well...
It's coming. It did travel well. It's right up here. Yeah, there's a big puddle down here.
Mary, I want the fucking mop, you
I'm
bitch!
getting it, Ben! There! There's lots
It's
out
not a
there!
mop, is it? I'm getting it, man, you bastard!
I really want to just hold it to make sure it's going to stay on there.
Oh, did you waiting for me?
That rule.
Does it take a move, Ben?
Fucking good one, Run away, quick! There's a crisis, run away! Yeah, isn't it?
That's like Kieran's back was on fire. The others, she ran out flat. She didn't wait for us. It's off.
Save yourself.
Your stupid ideas. Take the video in. Yeah, good idea.
As you
That
can
makes it work.
It's highly successful now.
I nearly drowned, you cunt.
I'll show you how it is now properly done. This is what could have
This is the one that won't go on there, isn't it? This is the one that goes, fucking hell!
Cut the part as though it's a fucking ceiling. And that one's coming straight down from the tank as well. The top one.
You'll fuck off, dog, please. Right.
Having a panic attack.
I want a good clean fight. I don't want no biting, scratching or kicking. Alright? That's quite a bit of water, wasn't it, really?
Like, no, think about it.
Have you got another cell, Mary? Because we chucked one at this side.
There's another one, no.
No, that's both of them, mate. Need another one, because just in case we get a bit more out of this.
Fucking hell, look at the wall.
Go upstairs and get another one, hun.
I'm busy.
What, doing what?
Oh, you want me to kneel in the Wesley side created. Thank you.
Yeah. Don't want to have a bloody video.
You know what it is?
I don't. I'm going to grab your phone and stand for
I
it
am
in a minute.
Oh, I've got insurance.
You're going to need your health insurance in a moment, my friend. Why do I listen to you and Gary? Where you sitting? Where is it? Yeah. Thank you.
I have tightened it up and everything.
I love it. I stuck the bell. We just did the wrong one.
Put it on, it was still coming out.
Now, I've got a vision here, then, of something going back.
I had a dream.
Kira's out of the way, she's going to walk everywhere in a minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at that.
So, have you been bitten by a deadly spider?
No.
I think that's what it is.
Okay.
I've got funny little things on the
Lift
wall.
here! Here!
Get out of the way.
That one.
Will you have a minute to them?
I am covering my face. Is that going to be hot water?
Well, it's possible.
Put the gloves on, mate.
Fucking hell.
Hello. Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about. There you go, it's much simpler now.
Don't touch that fucking socket, whatever you do, because it is soaked, mate.
Get some kit. What's that fan on it? That's wet, isn't it?
Stop.